Today I am back in Great Smoky Mountains National Park. Gonna go hike to Spruce Flats Falls. That's coming up next. So here we are, folks, at Great Smoky Mountains Institute at Tremont, a really neat educational institution here in the park. And the trailhead for Spruce Flats Falls that we're going to is right off of their little main visitor center slash base camp. So I believe we'll be going first on the Buckeye Trail and then the Falls Trail. Next trail junction. Going up the trail right here. Beautiful winter day in the Smoky Mountains, folks. Hey everyone, Austin here on the Falls Trail to Spruce Flats Falls. Really cool hike out here in the Smokies. Very rocky and rooty trail, so that's why I am not filming as I walk, because I want to keep this camera safe and you safe, so you'll actually see this video rather than the camera break-in. You never see this video. You can see that's kind of the trail ridge that we've come around on. If I carefully come around, here's a really pretty mountain view. Just glorious day. Really having fun on this hike. Let's keep on hiking. There's the trail we came up. Several rocks and roots, but if you go careful, common sense, not too bad. We are now 0.18 from the falls. Really excited about that. Check out this beautiful view. Let's keep on having some fun here in Great Smoky Mountains National Park. Guys, I don't know if you can hear me, but here we are at Spruce Flats Falls. Check it out. This is amazing. Well, that about wraps it up for our hike here at Great Smoky Mountains National Park, America's most visited national park, to the Spruce Flats Falls in the Tremont area of the park. It was a really fun hike. I hope you guys enjoyed the video of what I was able to capture. Very nice hike. I'd highly recommend it. Only about a 1.5 mile round trip. Certainly a lot of rocks and roots, so I would say it's an easy to moderate hike. Others might call it a strenuous hike. Just take your time. We took about an hour out there, probably a little shorter than an hour back. But very, very nice hike, well marked. Really enjoyed it. There's also a website I want to tell you guys about called Pro Trails. I just discovered it. I'll put a link to it in the description below. It basically has a very nice detailed description and GPS coordinates for all the trail junctions and where the trailhead is and where the falls are. And I use that a lot today just to know, are we going the right path, etc., etc., etc. So definitely recommend that. Also, I want to give a big shout out to one of my YouTube subscribers, an awesome YouTube vlogger himself, goes by the name of Sleeves, lives down in North Georgia, around Atlanta area, I think, and he just loves shooting video of him hiking like what I did today out in nature, showcasing God's amazing creation, and makes some just excellently shot and post-production edited videos about 15 minutes in length. If you haven't subscribed to his channel, go check it out. It is amazing. I'll again put a link to it either below this video or on it as a card. I highly recommend his channel. It's just beautiful, awesome nature videos. When I can't go hiking myself, I love immersing myself in God's creation virtually through his videos. So definitely go give him a subscribe. But yeah, so hope you enjoyed watching this video of my family and I hiking a beautiful waterfall, great time out in nature, quality family time together in a really cool national park. If you like this video, be sure to subscribe to my channel because I post weekly videos of me visiting historical sites or national parks or all that stuff. Now you won't want to miss out on any of that, so subscribe. And my channel is youtube.com/tnphotobug. And until next time, this is Geocacher TN Photobug signing out. I'm indeed having a blast with the past.